Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance, cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.